What's up, YouTube? Robo Rider here. And like I said on my last video, I was going to be going over the Harley Sundowner seat for the Sportster S. So real quick, here's a tutorial, I guess, of how to change the seat. Super easy. All you need is your key from the dealership. Go to the hole right here, twist it, and then just pull up on the seat, like so. Bam. Seat is off. Careful, this little flap likes to come off sometimes. But here's the stock seat. I'll come over here and show you the difference. Stock, Sundown. Now I'm going to put them side by side like this. You can see the thickness difference. The stock seat's very thin. Excuse the dirty truck. Here you go. A lot thicker, has more of a curve on the end there compared to this. Feels a lot more oomph to it, I guess. There's the stitching. The stock one. Stock one's pretty nice and squishy. This one, this feels like the stock here, but the outer rim here is actually more dense, I guess you could say. Feels more supportive. And then this scoop right here kind of makes you feel more secure in the bike. So again, I'll put them side by side here. There's a good shot where you can see the differences. And I'll show you how to put it back on. Alright, so here's how you put it in. Wanted to note real quick, this tool right here is at the bottom of your stock seat. So definitely take it out and then insert it back into the upgraded seat. But these slots right here are going to go right in there where that bar is, and then that cutout right there. This is really hard to do with one hand, but I'm going to try to do it for you guys. So just line it up and push on back, and then you should feel like it's just nice and snug in there. And then you want to line up that spike right there with that hole. Sometimes you can push it in, sometimes you can't. If you can't, you just take your key and turn it and then push down. Once you do that, now the seat is in there and secured. And that's how you upgrade it. Simple, easy. Let me go ahead and get my lid closed here so you guys can hear me. Hello, pink Honda. Yeah, so just put on the new Sundown, I don't know what it's called, but the upgraded Harley seat for the 2022 Sportster S. And man, it is a huge difference. I know I showed some B-roll footage of the size difference. The Sundowner one is a lot more thick, feels a lot more sturdy, and it has like a kind of scoop in it, so you feel more secure in the bike. I'm sure most of you that have the stock seat, when you gun this thing in sport mode, you feel like you're about to fly off the back. So this new updated seat, upgraded seat I should say, 10 out of 10, 100%. And there's really no seats out there. I did see that Corbin has one made. They have a Solo, and then they have one called a Gunfighter. I might give the Gunfighter one a try, but I did reach out to Corbin, was hoping to get like a partnership with them, but I think my channel's too new to even ask for that. You know, I have all of five subscribers, maybe 3, who knows. But yeah, if you guys can go ahead and like, subscribe, and tell your friends about this channel, it'd be awesome. When I did contact Corbin about the gunfighter seat, it is a 2-up seat, but they told me it's on back order for like 4 to 6 weeks. So I went ahead and got this Harley Sundowner. I am not disappointed in it at all. It is way more comfortable. You feel more secure on the bike. The padding's a lot thicker. So I definitely recommend it. If you guys have any questions about it, I'd be glad to answer it. It feels pretty high quality. It's kind of a lot like the stock seat with regards to how soft it feels, but it's just a lot thicker and a lot better. So definitely would recommend it. What's up? Dude was riding with a spare helmet. Maybe he's going to pick someone up. Yep, so back driving on the road here. It's currently the Strawberry Festival here by Plant City, so traffic is nuts right now. But the weather is amazing. See, it's about 67 degrees, a little bit breezy. So yeah, Florida life, man. But yeah, this seat is great. There's not a lot of what do you call, like, pressure points on it. It's pretty soft all around. You can scoot up on it a little bit, you can scoot back a little bit, but it does have like a little scoop backrest on it. That's pretty nice. And I can tell you, about 85% better than the stock seat for sure. Granted, I am 6'5" and I weigh like 270, so I'm a big dude. So upgrading this seat was definitely a must for me. Yeah, because the stock one, it wasn't like uncomfortable, but it wasn't nearly padded enough. After riding about 30 minutes, I was like, man, I gotta take a break. But I've been riding around on this today. You know, I went on I-4, which is, you know, highway speeds and fast. And I didn't feel like I needed a break or anything. So I definitely recommend this seat. But like I said, you guys have any questions about it, I'd be happy to interact and let you know additional thoughts. But yeah, please like and subscribe. I know I said that already, but I'm definitely needing it for this channel. I'm like driving with one hand to hold down my collar because it keeps slapping my helmet. Ready? Sounds like a drum.
How you liking it?
I love it, man.
I hear nothing but great things about it.
Yeah, the power is ridiculous. And I'm only in road mode right now, but in sport mode, just gone.
Excellent.
This dude's cool. Got his nice 1250 RT right next to me. Said he's heard nothing but good things about this Sportster, so kind of cool. There's a lot of camaraderie amongst riders. You can always see that when you drive by another rider, you know, you put the point the finger down and say what's up. So it's kind of cool. You know, so many different cultures, so many different types of people, and just motorcycles just makes like a camaraderie, like a brotherhood, sisterhood. It's kind of cool. Everyone's always respectful, nice. They talk to you at stoplights. It's, you know, it's kind of a cool thing. So yeah, this popped up while I was doing my review on my seat, so I'll go ahead and throw this guy in here.